Team coverage now on storm preps. There are a number of things you can do in advance of these high winds. It's almost a little too late, but we're still on your side. 10 on your side's Karina Garcia just spoke to Dominion Energy officials, and she joins us live from Norfolk now. Karina?
Hey, Aisha, we are feeling that storm right now, those intense wind. We're feeling the first droplets hitting us right now. You can see just how intense the winds are on the branches of those trees. Now, the forecast is calling for heavy rain, damaging winds, and even the possibility of isolated tornadoes in some areas. We're already seeing the effects. Nearly 1,000 Dominion customers in Norfolk are without power as of this hour. Dominion crews are staged across the region, ready to respond to these outages as conditions worsen. They have crews working around the clock, they tell me. And it's not just power crews bracing for the impact. The city's waste management in Norfolk teams are also warning of street flooding and high winds, which could make trash and recycling collection pretty difficult. To help officials, or rather to help the city, officials are asking residents to bag all trash and place heavier items on top of those recyclables to prevent them from blowing away. Now, with the worst of the storm expected later tonight, Dominion Energy urges customers to report outages immediately and stay away from downed power lines, of course. And they're reminding residents that safety always comes first. Here's Jason Winslow with the Dominion Energy office in Chuckatuck.
When wind like this seems to move through our territory, one of the more common things we run across is down wires. We ask that you please stay away from the down wires. Call 911, call 866-DOM-HELP. We will have some sort of first responder that will respond and be there in a timely manner to make it safe to the public. They're going to be around the clock.
And of course, we're going to keep you updated on the latest conditions with all the information we have available. In Norfolk, Karina Garcia, 10 on your side.